You do not find the happy life, you make it. Yes. Welcome everyone to Yarn to Learn. And as I said, that a happy life is made and it is not served to you in a platter. Dear all, I heartily pray for you and your family members that during these tough times you all stay safe, and may God's mercy and grace be with all of us. My heart goes out to all my YouTube channel members, and I really hope and pray that you all are safe. During this sort of scenario, when we talk to our friends, our family members, we just ask, how are you feeling? And beyond that, we could not talk much about. As I said, happiness is made, happiness is being sought after. So what can we do? We can try to distract ourselves from such things for some time and have a happy talk, a fun talk. I was thinking of late of something, some medium through which we can mutually de-stress ourselves. Maybe we have some fun time together, though virtually. Why not? So for this, especially where lockdown is still there and we are at home, I have found out one lovely game that you can play with your friends and family members. And good thing is you can modify it as per your taste and as per your choices. So I'll not take much time and take you right there. So log into any meeting. Maybe you can hold it on Zoom or on WebEx or on Meet, anywhere. And then the host actually can share the screen which have this. So this is called Wheel of Names. Type www.wheelofnames.com and this screen will appear. As you can see, there is a wheel which is moving. It's written there, click to spin or press Ctrl and enter. So this wheel will move. You can see there are 8 names and there is this small window at the right of the screen which comprises of these names. Now what is this? Either sometimes we have slips of names where we want a person's name to be called out, and then you do this or do that. So the first way is you have the names of people who are the participants here, so that whosoever turn is there, the spinning wheel can tell. I'll just add a few more names here to give you a clear idea. Like I have written Tom. You see the name Tom has now appeared on the wheel. I'm writing Mary. It's written here on the wheel now. So I can keep on adding a few names as per my wish. So you see the names are adding here. So you can have as many names as you want. And I'll give you one example later how it can be converted into a game. First, let me tell you how we use this wheel and how we can edit it. So this is how you add names. You can shuffle the order of names from here. So if you press this shuffle button, you'll see that these names will get shuffled here. You can sort it also from here. It will sort it in alphabetical order. So Ali is first, Beatrice is second, Charles is third. So A, B, C, D, like that. It has sorted. You can add image to it. I'll tell you later about it. So this is ready to play. You just click to spin. So now the wheel is moving and it will give you one name as a result. Now this name has come, Beatrice. Now this name is, we have a winner. This is the name. You can see confetti and an applause sound here. You can either close it or remove it. Now simply closing it will save the name on the wheel, and if you will click remove, it will remove the name from this wheel. So you see this name is removed from the list as well as from the screen. If I move it the next time, whatever name is coming, I'll just show you the difference. Rahul is there. So first an applause and Rahul's name with confetti. So instead of removing, I'm just putting it on close. So you see Rahul stays there, the name will stay there. In results section, you can see what are the previous two results if you forget or you want to go back to it. So this is the first result and this is the second result. It's showing here, and here are the entries. If you will remove it, so this name will be removed. Now in case you want to have a new game, you click here on new. If you want to open an already saved wheel of names by you have created a game already, so you can open it from here. You need to log in for that. Then there is a save button. If you want to save it again, you click on save and then you have to log in for that. You can save and you can simply share it by clicking on the share link. It will when you click on share, you say continue. With the people with whom you are sharing it, you feel they should only be able to spin the wheel, so you can choose first option. If you want them that they can edit the copy of the wheel, so you can choose the second option and then continue. So it will create a link like this. You can copy this link and share wherever you want to share with. Now is the major feature. So this is customize button. So this wheel of names is customizable. How you can do that? Now during the spin, the sound that you want should come, you can change. This is ticking sound, which is by default. So you can choose any sound from a great list here. You can also play, say circus music is there, play it. You can try drums. You can have game show music. So you can choose any. And let's stop it. So you can choose during the spin what sort of music should come. Allow duplicates on wheel. You want that the wheel can come on the same text, the same person name, or the same fraction again. Then you allow duplicates. If you do not want, then you deselect it. It means that it will not come on the same section again. You want the wheel to spin slowly, then you can select it, but I don't want it. Then you can specify the spinning time here. It's in seconds, how long you want the wheel to move. So it is at 18 seconds present. Let me reduce it to 10. I just want that wheel should move for 10 seconds. Then maximum number of names. You will be amazed to see that it can accommodate these many names, but we don't want that. So if you are playing with your friends, there could be maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So max 100, but there is no need to change the setting as such. So you can have as many names or text as you want, as many sections you want. This is during the spin. I'll just take you to the other option, then show you how these would be implemented after spin. Now you heard that applause was there. Now this sound also you can change. You can take announcement bell, or you can have notification bell. So personally I like the applause, so I'll go with that only. Now you want to animate the winning entry. We will see how it animates the winning entry. It zooms out of the screen, so I'm selecting it. Whether you like the confetti that appears, so it's your wish, you want or not, you can put it here. So display pop-up, auto remove winner after 5 seconds. You want that whosoever name has come, that particular name or section should be removed, so you can select it, otherwise it's your wish. Then display pop-up with message. What message should come? We have a winner, or it's your turn, something, anything you'll write here, it will come to the screen. Remove button, you want or not, it's your choice here. Yes I want, yes I don't want. Play a click sound when the winner is removed. You can choose this option. So and click OK. This setting will be saved. Next option is of colors. You can apply a theme also. So you can choose any themes. For example, if I'm choosing say games. In games also there are many themes that you can, for example Candyland. So you see the color scheme has changed here. Monopoly, see the color scheme has changed. Background color also you can select from here what background color you want. I'll prefer black personally. So okay, and this good thing here is image. Now in the center, if you want any image should be there on the wheel, so either none, it would have just a white circle at the center. Otherwise you can choose from the inbuilt gallery here. So there are quite a few images. You can choose any image, composition book, cash, calculator, book, bicycle, award. It's your wish what image you want, so you choose it. And if you don't want and you want to put any image of your choice or your own face, so you can click on custom and then upload that image. The size is also there. You want the size of the image to be medium, large. I'm selecting L and OK. Now you see the color scheme has changed. You see this award we selected at the center of the image, so this is coming. The color scheme is changed here. And let's see the other effects. When we spin, what happens? You can hear the music now. The wheel moved for 5 seconds only. And see the winner. Applause, and see this name Rahul is coming with on the screen with animation. So this is the effect that, and see the message also, it's your turn. Previously it was coming, you have a winner, now it's your turn. So this is how we change the settings, right? So this was all about customize button. Next is dark mode. It will change the background of your this thing. And again, if you're enjoying on your virtual meeting, then skip to full screen mode, which will have it at a bigger level on the screen. So this is all about the customizations. Now as I was talking about the game that you can play, now you can have multiple things here. Now maybe you want people to speak on any topic, so instead of these names you can put topics here. So you can have any things here like my hero, my best friend, my favorite something, my favorite cuisine, my first day in school. Anything you can put and it will keep on coming. You see here only 4 entries, so it has divided it only in 4. So you can change from names to this. Now I'll give you one sample that I was talking about. What I have done is I have prepared some 12 situations for you. Here it is. Now it is a game that you can play with your friends. Now these say, let me shuffle it first. Okay, like there are 12 entries, means 12 situations I have taken. Reveal a secret, so people have to tell some secret of theirs. Now whatever the spin comes, that thing they have to do. I am the boss. It means that the person whose turn is there, and if the wheel comes on I am the boss, the person will decide who has to do and what that person has to do. Do belly dancing. Then you can play truth or dare. The person has to share his or her nightmare. Role play someone or something. Count 50 to 1 backwards. Jackpot is something you can have money related to it if adults are playing. So you can have, let every person Paytm 100 rupees to the jackpot winner. So if there are say 12 people, so 1100 would be the jackpot, and you can remove it. I mean, it's just once, it's just a choice. You can have money involved for fun. Then tongue twisters are there. Crack a joke, sing a song, recite Z2A alphabets backwards. These are the 12 things I've taken. It's gonna be fun. Then you can click to spin and play with your friends, So you move it. Now it has come to nightmare. So the person has to share the nightmare. Let's see. Now you see it is coming, we have a winner nightmare. So what you can do is you need to edit the text. We have a winner doesn't look good. So what you have to do, during spin it's fine with you. Then after spin you're going to, okay, you want fireworks here or not, it's your choice. We have a winner, no. Your challenge. So you want that your challenge should come instead of we have a winner. So you can put it here. And in image, let me see if there is some game related image from gallery. So rocket trophy and light bulb head. You can choose anything. game controller. Let's choose game controller and okay. So see, this game controller has come here, right? So now you will play, and if you want that particular thing should not come, so what you have to select, from during the spin you have to deselect it, that duplicate should not be allowed, so that same thing would not come to any other person. Okay, now I was telling you about this add image section. Now this add image says that you can choose the image from there. Now what I'm going to do, I am finding an image of jackpot. Going to images. Okay, let's see, this image is good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save image at desktop. Now I'm going back here. So add image. When I'm adding image, what I'm doing is I am looking for this jackpot image, and here it comes. So you see this image is here, the jackpot image has come, and I don't want this word jackpot differently placed. I want it on the same section. So what I'm going to do is I'm pasting it here. So you see jackpot and this image are coming on the same section. So you can have image also. Now it has it's looking more funky, you can see where the jackpot is because it's with the image. I've missed it. So this has come truth or dare. Truth is, I really want you, my challenge is truth, so my truth is I really want you to like, share and subscribe Yearn to Learn. Could be your dare, it was my truth, so do that, right? So this is how you can customize this game and have fun. Again, you can choose anything from here, or you can have your own cues, your own tasks. You can make it more subtle if you're playing with children. You can spice it up if you're playing with adults, or you can use the same as I have done it. So I hope this fun game will help you relax and reconnect with your friends and members, though virtually, but why not? So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. I again say, do not lose hope. Be very positive in your thoughts and be very negative with corona, right? Thank you for watching. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.